Infrared burners are for one thing and one thing only, getting an incredible sear. If you're looking for that all-over steakhouse style crust, infrared burner is what achieves that in the steakhouse that you enjoy that steak at. It infuses the flavor back into your food. They're really cool, but they are different than a standard convection style burner. The first thing to do is turn on your infrared burner. I also like to turn on the rest of my grill's burners if I have only one infrared and the rest conventional. Turn everything on to preheat for 5 to 10 minutes on the infrared side of things. After that, you can turn the rest of your burners off if you want. You don't want all of that cold metal trying to rob heat from your searing situation. That's why we're preheating everything together. But after that, if you plan to only sear, let's say you're doing tuna steaks or thinner beef steaks, or you like your thicker steaks to be medium rare, medium-ish at the most, then you're good to go with strictly your infrared burner. If you like to cook through to your, if you want to cook your steaks through further that, if you want to go to medium well, if you will, it makes me very sad, but if you want to cook it too well, you can do it. I don't recommend it. If that's the case, you want to leave some of your other burners on so that you can sear over the infrared and then move the steak over to continue cooking over the low or off burners, using your grill more like an oven to cook through the internal temperature.